Here we have a Hunter TC3250 tire changer. This is a rim clamp tire changer. We're going to go ahead and play with the controls here so you can see that everything does operate. This is your bead roller and it goes up and down. Right here is your turntable. Go in both directions, go up in both directions. And if you want to close your clamps. And at the same time, it's going to pull your bead breaker here. Okay. Later, the tire inflator right there, and that's your basic